Join us as we unveil some of the most incredible ChatGPT Chrome extensions. For this, all you need is a ChatGPT account. So let's dive in and discover the power of AI at your fingertips. First on the list, we have YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT. All you need to do is add this to your Chrome. Now let me show you a glimpse of what this extension can do. With this icon, you can directly jump to the current time, and with the other one, you can just copy the entire transcript. But this is where the magic happens. So once you click on this, you'll be redirected to the ChatGPT page, where it will directly copy the whole transcript and provide a summary for you. This extension is going to save a lot of your time, so basically it just summarizes the video in really short. When you do not have the time to watch the entire video, this extension will be really useful for you. Next one is for when you have your mailbox flooding in with emails. You just do not have the time to respond, so we have a ChatGPT extension that writes the response for you. This is the ChatGPT Writer. So let me go ahead and add this to my Chrome. Now I'll just head to my Gmail and refresh it. This extension works with all emails, but I believe it works best with the Gmail. So now all I have to do is click on the reply button. Then you'll be able to see the icon for the extension. Now all you need to do is write in brief about how you want to respond. Once you give it a brief answer, it will generate a professional and suitable response to the email. So if you ever find yourself in a position where you have loads of emails and no time to reply, during those hours, ChatGPT Writer will definitely prove to be a lifesaver. Moving on, one of the things about ChatGPT is its knowledge cutoff at 2021, when you're looking for something recent that could be a real bummer. So the next extension is WebChatGPT. This allows you to use ChatGPT with current knowledge, news, and information. I'll just go ahead and add it to Chrome. Now I'll ask ChatGPT something recent. As you can see, this extension helps ChatGPT get recent information. You can even turn off the web access from here. This extension does more than that. From here, you can choose how many results you want to generate. Then you can choose how recent you want the news to be. Then again, you can choose from which region. Overall, if you're inquiring about anything recent, you can add this extension. And I'm sure that this will be a really useful tool for you ahead in the future. Second, lastly, we have ChatGPT for Chrome. What this does is this enhances your browsing experience and gives you best of both the worlds. When you're looking for an answer with the Google search, you have to go through loads of websites to find the answer that you want to. With this extension, a ChatGPT pop-up will appear that will give you the answer that you are looking for. Let me add it to my Chrome. Here you can see the search result for my Google search. So now, instead of going through all of the websites, this ChatGPT pop-up provides me with the exact answer that I was looking for. Every now and then, when you are just tired of going through all of the websites looking for the exact answer that you need, you can just try out ChatGPT for Chrome. Finally, if you have to engage in important conversations online, be it for a YouTube comment or a tweet, and you do not know how to, this is the ChatGPT Chrome extension known as Merlin. Once the extension has been added to your Chrome, you just have to head to the page and then copy the message that you want to respond to. Now to activate Merlin, you have to click on Ctrl+M. If you are using Mac, then you have to click on Command+M. Now all you have to do is type in what you want to. Now just enter and Merlin will polish the best response available. With this tool, I believe that you can build valuable connections online. Either way, if you do not know how to respond to any comments or any text online, then go for Merlin. So go ahead and try out these Chrome extensions and let us know what you think. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.